Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a warning to all the users of the Microsoft Office Suite 2016, 2019, the Microsoft 365, whatever you're using as Office. There is a very important zero-day flaw that is exploited in the wild. And Microsoft is warning everybody that updates are needed to fix this in Office. Now, if you're on Office 2016 and 2019, the update for the fix for that security flaw is not yet available. Microsoft does say it will be available soon. And if you're using Microsoft 365 or the latest versions of Microsoft Office, then the best way to update and to make sure that you update all the time is, of course, to go into the settings in Windows 10 or 11, go into Windows Update. And here in the advanced options, one of the options is receive updates for other Microsoft products. Make sure that that is turned on. This will make sure that your Microsoft Office suite is updated at the same time when updates are available. So this has to be a pretty good security flaw because it's out of band. So basically, it's a security flaw that is fixed outside of the normal schedule. And they're not disclosing much information about it. It seems that somebody tipped them off about some really bad flaw that is easy to exploit just by opening any type of document, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. As long as it's carefully crafted so that it can exploit that flaw, it actually will infect your machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.